In this video, we are going to be doing a unit cross-match. The procedure for this can be found on Canvas. It's called cross-match tube method. For our patient who needs the blood, we have already done the type and screen, and the antibody screen is negative, so we can go ahead with our cross-match. Now, we are going to be taking patient plasma and combining it with red cells from the unit. So what we need to get is a pigtail from the unit. Now this is a pigtail. It's plastic tubing that has blood from the unit in it that we're going to be hopefully cross-matching to the patient. And every unit and pigtail has a unique identification number. So for this one, here it is. It's printed on here, and we are going to use that number as our identification on our tubes when we're testing. So the first thing you have to do is you have to wash and make a 3% suspension of your pigtail, which I have already done over here. Okay, so we only need one tube for this procedure, one tube per unit. So I'm going to write ID on it, 781. And put it right there. Okay, so what we will do is we're going to add 2 drops of patient plasma. And 1 drop of unit red cells. Okay, we'll mix. And spin for 15 seconds. Okay, let's go ahead and take a look here at this tube at initial spin. Okay, the button is completely off, and I don't see any kind of agglutination, so that is negative. Okay, basically we're going to be going on to the IAT, so that means we're going to add 2 drops of Liss, mix slightly, and then that's going to go in the heating block for 15 minutes. Okay, our 15 minutes have passed. All right, let's go ahead and spin that. All right, let's go ahead and check our 37-degree Okay, it looks like that button is completely off, and that is smooth suspension, so I'm going to call that negative. All right, now the next step is to do our wash phase, which I am going to turn the camera off and come back to you in a few minutes because we have to do it manually and it takes some time. I've gone ahead and decanted my last wash. So basically what I have in the bottom of the cell is, or the bottom of the tube is just cells and very little liquid. So now we are going to add our 2 drops of anti-human globulin. Mix slightly and spin. Okay, we are at the AHG phase. Let's go ahead and read this tube. Okay, that button is off and that is smooth, so we're going to call that negative. All right, so just to go ahead and verify that our AHG phase was valid, let's go ahead and add a couple drops, or actual couple drops, 1 drop of check cells. Okay, we'll mix it up a little bit there, and centrifuge. Okay, so here we are with our check cells. Remember, these need to be at least 2+. Okay, so that button's already off. We have some pretty good size, fair sized chunks there. Just a slight cloudiness of the background. I'm going to call that 2+. Okay, so our check cells have checked the 2+. So this unit is compatible with this person's plasma. So that person can go ahead and receive this unit.